Call a professional plumber when toilet installation involves structural damage, complex drain materials, unusual flange problems, excessive weight, or persistent leaks after a do-it-yourself attempt. If your subfloor shows signs of rot beyond a small localized patch you can replace easily, stop and call a pro, because restoring structural integrity requires removing damaged joists and fitting proper blocking and moisture barriers so the new flange sits level. Cast iron drain adaptation needs specialized tools and fittings such as compression adapters or a flange that mates to cast iron and may require cutting and rejoining pipe with proper couplings, so an experienced plumber prevents leaks and improper slopes. Unfamiliar or unusual flange configurations, like offset or broken flanges embedded in tile or concrete, demand assessment so the flange can be rebuilt or a flange support installed that maintains toilet alignment and seal. Very heavy toilets, for example cast iron or designer stone bowls, require 2 people at minimum and sometimes anchored subfloor reinforcement or blocking under the flange. A pro will ensure the floor and anchoring meet load requirements. If a do-it-yourself installation results in persistent leaks at the base or from the tank to bowl connection after careful torque and new gaskets, you should call a plumber to pressure test and isolate the leak rather than repeatedly replacing parts. For installations in older homes with multiple issues at once, hire a professional from the start, since combining structural, pipe material, and access complications raises the risk of recurring failures. The most common mistake is underestimating subfloor damage, which leads to loose toilets and leaks later. The remedy is to inspect by probing around the flange, remove trim if needed, and replace any compromised plywood or joist sections before installing. Another frequent issue is trying to mate modern toilet flanges to cast iron drains without proper adapters, which causes misalignment and weeping joints. Correct this by using a plumber-grade cast iron adapter or replacing a short section of pipe with a compatible material installed to appropriate slope. A third problem is over-tightening bolts or using the wrong wax ring, which cracks porcelain or causes uneven seals. Use hand tighten plus a quarter turn with a wrench. Use a foam or wax ring sized to the flange height, and test stability before final trim. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and get practical project guidance related to installations and repairs. Our site also helps contractors find work and connect with homeowners, and we host an active discussion community where members share real experience, troubleshooting tips, and referrals.